Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to this guided meditation by Stimulating Minds. I'm so glad you chose to meditate today and nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position and gently closing your eyes. Now, bring your hands together and take a moment to reflect on gratitude. Focus on the things you're thankful for today. I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful for my loved ones. I am grateful for the sun, the earth, and the air I breathe. I am grateful for this peaceful moment. Release your hands back to your knees, palms facing up if you're open to receiving, or down if you're seeking grounding. Feel the connection between your hands and your knees, and let this simple gesture set the tone for your meditation. Take 3 deep breaths, exhaling fully through your mouth. With each breath, imagine inhaling peace and exhaling any stress or tension. Feel the relaxation spreading throughout your body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Then, close your mouth and continue to breathe through your nose for the remainder of this meditation. Let's start by bringing awareness to each part of your body, releasing any tension. Notice how your breath feels as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Cool on the inhale and warm on the exhale. Relax your forehead and eyebrows. Soften all the muscles in your face. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over your face, smoothing out any lines of tension. Breathe in, and as you exhale, let your shoulders drop. Feel the weight of the world lifting off your shoulders, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Relax your arms, hands, and fingertips. Let go of any tightness or gripping, allowing your arms to feel heavy and supported by the surface beneath you. Soften your heart and your stomach. Imagine your breath filling your chest and belly with warmth and light, dissolving any knots or discomfort. Release any tension in your hips, thighs, and knees. Feel your lower body becoming more grounded and stable, connected to the earth beneath you. Let your calves relax, your feet, and finally, your toes. Imagine any remaining tension flowing out through your toes, leaving your entire body in a state of deep relaxation. Feel your entire body sink into relaxation. Allow yourself to fully experience the stillness of this moment. Embrace the calm and peace that comes with letting go. As your body settles into calmness, your breath may naturally slow down. Let your breath flow effortlessly, simply observing how your body breathes in and out. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly with each breath. Be a gentle observer of your breath. Your body instinctively knows what to do. Trust in your body's wisdom and allow yourself to be present with each breath. If thoughts enter your mind, there's no need to judge or react. Just notice the thought and let it pass, like clouds drifting across the sky. Return your focus to your breath, anchoring yourself in the present moment. If you wish, you can try this visualization exercise to enhance your meditation practice and deepen your connection with your inner self. As you inhale, imagine positive light energy entering your body through your crown, the top of your head. Visualize this light as a warm, golden glow that brings with it a sense of peace and tranquility. As you exhale, picture this energy flowing down through your body. As a gentle wave, ebbing and flowing, bringing in the new and releasing the old. Continue this visualization, exchanging low vibrational energy for high vibrational energy. Feel the transformation within you as you become lighter, more vibrant, and more aligned with your true self. We are beings of energy, and it's important to protect our energy, consciously choosing to nurture the positive and release the negative. This practice helps us maintain our energetic balance and well-being. As you feel this positive light energy surrounding you, you can repeat these affirmations silently in your mind. These affirmations will help reinforce your positive mindset and strengthen your connection to your inner truth. I am worthy as I am. Embrace your inherent worthiness and know that you are enough just as you are. I am enough as I am. Accept yourself fully and completely without judgment or criticism. I am strong, brave, and resilient. Recognize your inner strength and courage and trust in your ability to overcome any challenges. I love, respect, and accept myself just as I am. Cultivate a deep sense of self-love and respect, honoring your unique journey and experiences. I am guided, protected, and loved. I am safe. Feel the presence of loving guidance and protection around you, and trust in your safety and security. I can express myself freely. Allow yourself the freedom to express your true thoughts and feelings without fear or hesitation. I choose love over fear. Make a conscious choice to lead with love in all aspects of your life, letting go of fear and embracing compassion. I am a light worker and I lead with light. Acknowledge your role as a beacon of light and positivity, and commit to spreading love and kindness. I am true to myself and aligned with my desires. Stay true to your authentic self and pursue your dreams with confidence and clarity. Now, you have the tools to deeply relax your physical body, renew your energy with positive light, and reset your mind with loving affirmations. Use these tools regularly to maintain your inner peace and well-being. These practices are always available to you whenever you need them. Remember that you can return to this state of calm and clarity at any time. Continue to meditate on your own, breathing and connecting with the stillness within. Let this stillness be a source of strength and serenity in your daily life. Gradually, bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and feel the life force flowing through you. Bring your hands together once more and return to your gratitude. Reflect on the blessings in your life and the abundance that surrounds you. What in your life are you grateful for? Take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate these gifts. Take 3 deep breaths, exhaling through an open mouth. With each breath, feel a deeper sense of relaxation and peace. When you're ready, open your eyes and take in the beautiful world around you. See the beauty and wonder in every detail. See your surroundings with a fresh perspective and carry positivity and gratitude with you throughout your day. Let this positive energy influence your interactions and experiences. Sending you love and light. Namaste. May you continue to shine brightly and spread love wherever you go. Remember, you are a part of this vast, beautiful universe. Embrace your connection to all that is, and feel the unity and harmony within you. Embrace the wholeness and completeness within you. Know that you are perfect just as you are, and that you have everything you need within you. Share your light and positivity with the world around you. Be a source of inspiration and love, and watch as the world reflects this light back to you. As we come to the end of this journey, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Notice how your body feels, the calmness in your mind, and the lightness in your spirit. Allow yourself to fully embrace this moment of tranquility and peace. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, the steady beat of your heart, and the soothing energy that surrounds you. Remember, this state of peace and tranquility is always within reach, no matter where you are or what you're going through. Reflect on the affirmations you embraced and the positive energy you've welcomed into your being. Think about the moments of clarity and insight you've experienced, and how they have contributed to your overall sense of well-being. Carry these feelings with you as you move forward, knowing that you have the power to return to this place of serenity anytime you wish. Take one final deep breath in, filling yourself with gratitude, and exhale slowly, releasing any lingering tension. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze on your face, and the connection you have with the natural world around you. As you open your eyes, bring this sense of calm into the rest of your day. Let this feeling of peace guide your actions and interactions. Thank you for joining us on this journey and for allowing yourself the time to reconnect with your inner self. May you continue to find peace, love, and light in every moment. Carry this sense of serenity with you and let it illuminate your path. Namaste.